A man, his rocket, and Alexa, the viral launch that shocked the internet. In a dazzling blend of technology and creativity, a man has taken the internet by storm after launching a small rocket with just a voice command to Amazon's Alexa. The video has amassed over 13 million views, igniting a conversation that playfully challenges the boundaries of innovation. Captured during Diwali festivities, the moment unfolds as the man confidently calls out, "Alexa, launch the rocket." Without missing a beat, Alexa responds, "Yes, boss," launching the rocket, and the small projectile soars into the sky, leaving spectators both thrilled and amused. The clip was shared by Mani's Projects Lab on Instagram, where it quickly gained traction. Viewers were captivated not just by the launch but by the playful interplay between human ingenuity and voice-activated technology. Comments flooded in, with one user humorously stating, "Alexa rocked, humans shocked," while another quipped about Elon Musk's potential reaction, saying, 1,000 missed calls from SpaceX. Intrigued by the tech behind the launch, one user elaborated on how they had achieved something similar using an Arduino setup, highlighting the blend of programming and physics involved. The rocket launch wasn't just a spectacle, it was a testament to DIY innovation. To help others replicate this impressive feat, the creator also posted a detailed tutorial on YouTube, encouraging tech enthusiasts to embark on their own experiments. As we embrace this era of advanced technology, it raises the question, what other astonishing projects can we expect from everyday innovators? This launch serves as a reminder that with creativity and a little tech savvy, the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Thank you for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as we did, please like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content.